Romeo Delta, Delta Oscar 7 Mike Alpha X-Ray. Okay, thanks for the information about your station, and I wish you all the best. I hope we hear us again. 73 by from Delta Oscar 7 Mike Alpha X-Ray.
73, drive with Ipswich, Alfred Dazin, and all the best from Romania to Germany.
Germany, 7, Bravo, Tango, Germany, 7, Bravo, Tango,
Alpha Papa 2 Mike Sierra.
Mike Sierra. Only Mike Sierra because I hear only Mike Sierra. Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. I repeat, Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Back to you.
Roger, Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Radio Delta. This is Alpha Papa number 2 Mike Sierra. You're loud and clear, 5x9 here in Karachi, Pakistan. And the locator here is Mike Lima 34 Mike X-Ray. Mexico Lima 34 Mexico X-Ray. Mike, back to you.
Alpha Papa, please, Alpha Papa 2, please repeat the last, the letters. Alpha Papa 2, Yankee Ontario 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Back to you.
Roger. It is Alpha Papa 2 Mexico Sierra. Alpha Papa 2 Mexico Sierra. Copy?
Okay. I write right now on the log Alpha Papa 2 Mike Sierra. My name is Mihai, Mike India, Hotel Alpha India, and my relocator is Kilo November 23 X-Ray. I repeat, Kilo November 23 X-Ray. QSO?
Roger, QSO. Thank you very much for the special call sign and QSO, and I hope to work you again. Thank you very much. 73 is Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Radio Delta. This is Alpha Papa 2 Mike Sierra.
Give me your name, please. Give me your name. I want to give me your name again. Please repeat.
Roger, my name is Salman. It's like Sugar Alpha Lima Mike Alpha November. Salman is my name.
Okay, Salman, I put you right now on the log. Thank you very much. 73, good afternoon, because it's good afternoon in my country. Hi. All the best, and I hope to speak again with you on the satellite with my call sign, my personal call sign. 73, all the best.
Sierra Quebec 6, Papa November Tango. Sierra Queen 6, Papa Norway Tango.
Papa November.
Sierra Quebec 6, Papa November Tango. Very good evening, Mikhail. Report for you in Poland, 5959. My name is Tom, Tango Oscar Mike, and my grid locator is Juliet Oscar 81 Alpha Lima. Repeat, Juliet Oscar 81 Alpha Lima. How do you copy, Mikhail? Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Radio Delta, Sierra Quebec 6, Papa November Tango. Please go ahead.
Your signal is very strong on my dish, my friend, because I have big dish, but the small setup, big dish, but small setup, only 1.5 watt, but the R&B receive the strong signal of you. 59 plus 2, more to that, but your signal is very strong and very good modulation. Sierra Quebec 6, Papa November Tango, Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo November Delta, and my name is Mihai, Mike India, Hotel Alpha India. Mihai is my name, and my relocator, my friend Tom, is Kilo November 23, X-Ray. Back to you.
Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Radio Delta, Sierra Quebec 6, Papa November Tango returning. Mikhail, 100% copy. Thank you for new contact, for new grid. Best 73, good luck, man station calling to you. Good luck.
73, all the best, my friend. Sierra Quebec 6, Tango.
Germany 7, Bravo Tango Papa.
Hello?
Golf 7 Bravo Tango Papa. Golf 7 Bravo Tango Papa. This is correct?
Roger, Roger. You're 5 and 9, 59. In Italy Oscar 93 Victor Oscar. Italy Oscar 93 Victor Oscar. And the name this side is Paul. Papa Oscar Uniform Lima QSL.
QSL, my friend, right now I'm looking on the QSL.com, your QSL.com page. Sorry for my bad English. I looking on the QSL.com page, Paul, and I see your call sign and your pictures, nice pictures, my friend. You have Paul from England, Golf 7 Bravo Tango Papa. Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta, and my name is Mihai. Mike India Hotel Alpha India, like in England. Michael, but it's the same name, but it's the other configuration for other countries. Hi. And my grid locator is Kilo November 23 X-ray. I repeat, Kilo November 23 double X-ray. QSL?
QSL there, Michael. I have all your details from the other QSOs. I will upload Logbook of the World and EQSL. Okay, many stations calling you. Thank you for putting the special event station on. Nice to work the WARD stations. Best 73s from UK, and we'll probably catch you one day under your own call sign. 73s for now, Michael. G7 Bravo Tango Papa.
Okay, Golf 7 Bravo Tango Papa. I put right now on my QSL.com page, on my personal QSL.com page, your call sign, because I love England, and I put right now on my personal QSL.com page, my personal call sign is Yankee Oscar 9 Delta Ontario Canada, and please confirm when you have little bit time, please confirm our QSO on your page from the QSL.com. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, all the best, good weekend, my friend, and I hope to speak again with you on the Satellite 73.
Okay there, 73s. I will also log Yankee Oscar 9, Delta Oscar Charlie, 5 and 9. 73s.
73, all the best.
Delta Lima 5 Sugar Delta. Delta Lima 5 Sugar David. Juliet Oscar.
The station with hotel at the beginning. The station with hotel at the beginning. Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Sorry for other station. Please stand by. The station with hotel at the beginning. You have the microphone.
Okay, thank you very much, my friend. This is Hotel Bravo 9, Guatemala, Washington, Japan. Hotel Bravo 9, Golf Whiskey Juliet. My name is Oliver. Roger.
Roger, my friend. Hotel Bravo 9, Golf Whiskey Juliet. Good afternoon, Switzerland. I transmit for Romania. Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. And my name is Mihai. Mike India Hotel Alpha India. Repeat. Mike India Hotel Alpha India. And my grid locator is Kilo November 23 double X-ray. I repeat, Kilo November 23 X-ray. Back to you in Switzerland.
Okay, thank you, my friend. Thank you, Mihai. No problem, my friend. You 5-9, my friend. Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta, which is HB in GWG.
Okay, Oliver, I'm looking right now on the QRZ.com, my friend Oliver, and I see your QRZ.com page, nice lookups. Thank you for this nice QSO. I operate with this call sign until tomorrow, and You see more information on the QSO.com. Hotel Bravo 9 Golf Whiskey Juliet, Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Back to you.
Okay, Mihai. No problem, my friend. I'll write your call. Yes, just for information, I use a very big dish. You see, it is a steepen dish, and now the output power is 100 milliwatt. 100 milliwatt, but it's normal. The dish is working for me. All the best, Mihai, and very good activation, and all the best from Switzerland. It is Hotel Bravo 9 Golf Whiskey Juliet.
All the best, my friend. Yeah, I see the big dish. I have a small dish, 1 meter and 28 centimeter in diameter, but I have small power, only 1.5 watt, and the shit antenna for transmission, only the small dipole, open small dipole for this band. Thank you very much, 73, all the best, and I hope to speak again with you on the satellite with my personal call sign after this week, 73.
Alright. Delta Lima 5 Sugar Delta. Delta Lima 5 Sugar David.
This is Delta Charlie 7 Delta X4.
Delta Lima 5, please repeat the call sign. The first ham radio have a signal, call sign with Delta Lima 5. Please stand by other station. Delta Lima 5 again. I Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta.
QSO Mihai. Delta Lima number 5 Sierra Delta. Delta Lima 5 Sugar David. Good evening, Mihai. Thank you for coming back. You're 58, 5 to 8. My name is Ernest. Echo Radio Nancy Sugar Tango, Ernst is the name. And the locator, Juliet Ocean 62 Juliet Whiskey, north from capital city from Berlin. So I have your locator and all the date returning to you. Come in, please.
Okay, my friend, Ernst, no problem to copy you. I see right now on the QSO.com, Delta Lima 5, Sierra Delta, Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. My name is Mihai. Mike India Hotel Alpha India. Mihai is my name, and my green locator is Kilo November Dry X-ray. I repeat, Kilo November Dry X-ray. QSO?
Yes, QSO Mihai. Thank you for information. Thank you for short contact with you. I wish you all the best. Many station calling. 73 and good luck, Mihai. Delta Lima 5 Sugar David, clear with Yankee Ocean 22 Whiskey Alpha Radio Delta. Bye-bye, Mihai.
73, all the best. Drive Dixie, auf Wiedersehen. Bye-bye.
Papa Alpha 1 Echo
Delta Charlie 7 Delta X4.
Papa Alpha 1 Echo Juliet Oscar.
Papa Alpha 1 Echo Juliet Oscar. This is correct?
Roger. Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Radio Delta from Papa Alpha 1 Echo Juliet Oscar. Good evening, Michael. My name is Ernst. Echo Romeo November Sierra Tango. Grid locator Juliet Oscar 21 Foxtrot X-ray. How do you copy?
Strong signal from Netherlands. Strong signal, my friend. Strong signal. Good report. Good modulation, my friend. Papa Alpha 1 Echo Juliet Oscar, Netherlands. Good afternoon, Netherlands. My name is Mihai. Mike India, Hotel Alpha India. Sorry for another station to stand by another station. Papa Alpha 1 Echo Juliet Oscar. My grid locator, my friend, is Kilo November 23 X-ray. Ernst, you are in the log right now. I operate with this special call until tomorrow. You are in the log right now. Thank you very much for this QSO. Back to you in Netherlands from the final. Back to you.
Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Radio Delta Papa Alpha 1 Echo Juliet Oscar. Okay, Michael, all copied Kilo November 23 X-ray X-ray, and here it is Juliet Oscar 21 Foxtrot X-ray. Hope you work many stations on this special event called 73, and greetings from the Netherlands to Romania. 73.
73, all the best, my friend. Good afternoon, Rotterdam. I put right now on the QSO.com with my personal call sign. My personal call sign is Yankee Oscar 9 Delta Ontario, Canada. And I put in the log with my personal call sign, and when you have it will be time, please confirm our QSO on the QSO.com 73. All the best from Romania to Rotterdam. 73.
73, I'll store the Yankee Oscar 9 Delta Oscar Charlie call also. 73, PA1 EGO, clear.
Delta Canada 7 David X1, Delta Charlie 7 Delta X1.
I speak again, speak both together, speak again.
Delta Charlie 7 Delta X1.
Delta Charlie 7 Delta X-ray, is this correct?
Roger, QSL Delta Charlie 7 Delta X-ray, QSL.
Delta Charlie 7 Delta X-ray, Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Good afternoon, my friend Arthur. Good afternoon, Arthur. I see your QSO.com page. My name is Mihai. Mike India Hotel Alpha India. Back to you in Germany.
Roger, QSL Michael. Yes, Roger. My handle Arthur. Located Juliet November 4 9 Lima Echo. QSL?
Yes, sir, Arthur. I copy you 100%. No problem to copy you, my friend. My locator is Kilo November 23 X-ray X-ray. I repeat, Kilo November wide dry X-ray X-ray. Only 6 kilometers from border with Bulgarian border, and only 60 kilometers from Bucharest, capital of Romania. Back to you in Germany.
Roger. QSL Michael. I have your personal call sign also, Yankee Oscar 9 Delta Oscar Charlie, also 59 QSL.
Okay, my friend, this is my personal call sign, Yankee Oscar 9 Delta Ontario, Canada. I repeat, Yankee Oscar 9 Delta Ontario, Canada. QSL?
Roger, QSL 59 also. Wish you good luck. 73. See you.
73, auf Wiedersehen. All the best from Romania, my friend.
73. Danke.
QRZ, Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. This is special call sign. Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. QRZ. Sugar Papa 2 Uniform Bravo. Sugar Papa 2 Uniform Bravo. Calling QRZ, link. Juliet Papa Station, please repeat your call sign. Juliet Papa Station, please stand by. Other station, I'm sorry, but please stand by. Juliet Papa, again, please repeat your call sign. Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Sierra Papa 2 Golf Uniform Bravo. Osaka Portugal 2 Golf Uniform Bravo. Sugar Peter 2 Golf Uniform Bravo.
Please repeat again, my friend, Sierra Papa. Sorry, Sierra Papa, please repeat again your call sign because the line are starting when you speaking. Sierra Papa, again, I don't copy your call sign. Please repeat.
Okay, Sugar Papa 2. Sugar Papa 2.
Golf Uniform Bravo. Sugar Papa 2. Golf Uniform Bravo.
QSL? Sierra Papa 2 Hotel Uniform Bravo.
Guatemala, Germany United Bravo, Germany United Bravo.
Ok, Sierra Papa 2, Guatemala Uniform Bravo, Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta, repeat Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta, back to you.
Yes. Good evening to you, Mihai. Bye-bye, sorry for you. 59, 5-9. Juliet Oscar, Lie for Radio Echo. Juliet Oscar, Lie for Radio Echo. Germany Oscar, Lie for Radio Echo, and my name is Jurek. Juliet Uniform Radio Echo Kilo. Juliet Uniform Radio Echo Kilo. Jurek, back to you, Mihai.
Okay, Jurek, I copy you 100%, no problem to copy you, but somebody in your back put the Lila, start the Lila, my friend. Jurek, no problem to copy you, my friend. Sierra Papa 2, Golf Uniform Bravo, Sierra Papa 2, Golf Uniform Bravo, Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta, Mihai is my name, and my green locator is Kilo November 23, X-Ray, I repeat, Kilo November 23, X-Ray, and I operate with this special call sign until tomorrow at the end of the day, my friend. Back to you in Poland.
Yes, very fine copy, Mihai. Thank you for very short contact. Good luck, many DX to you. I hope to meet you again soon. Yankee Oscar 22, Wolf Alpha Radio Delta, Sugar Papa 2, Golf Uniform Bravo. See you, goodbye, bye-bye, Mihai.
73, all the best, QRZ, I'm Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta, QRZ.
Delta Oscar 3, India November.
Delta Oscar 3, India November. Delta Oscar 3, India November. Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Repeat, Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Back to you.
Okay, Yankee Oscar 21. Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta, this is Delta Oscar 3, India, November. Good evening, my name is Wolfgang, Whiskey Oscar Lima, Foxtrot Golf Alpha November Golf. Grid locator here is Juliet, November 49 Sierra X-Ray, a small town around 50 kilometers southeast of the city Frankfurt. Okay, your report on your latest, on the next, over. Okay, Mike, back to you, and then I will give you your report. I was not looking yet. Okay, Yankee Oscar 21, Whiskey Alpha, Romeo Delta, Delta Oscar 3, India November.
No, I must correct you. Yankee Oscar 22, like 2022. I operate with Yankee Oscar 21 last year on the Satellite, but now I operate with Yankee Oscar 22, like 2022, okay? Yankee Oscar 22 with Alpha Romeo Delta in QSO with Delta Oscar 3, India November, Wolfgang from Deutschland. Okay, Wolfgang, you are in the log, my friend. You are in the log right now. I put in the log your call sign, and you see, for more information, please visit the QSO.com page with the call sign Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Back to you in Deutschland. By the way, my grid locator is Kilo November 2 Dry X-Ray. I repeat, Kilo November 2 Dry X-Ray. Back to you.
Okay, Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Sorry, I have correct this call sign. Yes, there exist 21 also. Yes, your signal report is 57 here on my station. The station is Fox Tango 991 Alpha. and 1 meter dish, yes, and output is around 5 watts. Okay, so thank you very much. 73. Have a rest of the Sunday, a nice Sunday, and many QSOs. This is Delta Oscar 3 India November. Mike, back to you for the finals.
Okay, Delta Oscar 3 India November, sorry. I put the same on the QRZ.com, our QSO, between you and my personal call sign is Yankee Oscar 9 Delta Oscar Charlie. Repeat, Yankee Oscar 9 Delta Oscar Charlie. I put the same on the QRZ.com, this QSO with you, my friend, because I want to confirm our QSO on the QRZ.com. Thank you very much, Wolfgang. You are the same on the Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta on the logbook. Stay relaxed, please visit the boat, call sign, my call sign and this special call sign. You are in the log, and when you have little bit time, please confirm my personal call sign. I repeat, my personal call sign, Yankee Oscar 9 Delta Ontario Canada. QSL?
Okay, yes, okay. Yankee Oscar 9, Delta Oscar, and what was the last letter? Please repeat.
Yankee Ontario number 9, Delta Ontario Canada. QSL?
Yes, Roger QSL, Yankee Oscar 9, Delta Oscar Charlie. Okay, I got it. Okay, I locked it also, yes. No problem at all. I'm on the QRZ.com site, and I will lock the QSOs here. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice Sunday. Bye-bye, and 73.
73, all the best. 73, auf Wiedersehen. Bye-bye, tschüss.
Ja, da hätten wir auch Deutsch sprechen können, ne? Da hätte ich mir nicht so schwer getan, HI.
Oscar November 4, Delta Alpha Kilo, Ocean Nancy 4, Delta Alpha Kilo.
Golf 0 Alpha Bravo India.
Oscar November 4, Osterich, Delta Alpha Kilo. Sorry for another station. Sorry for another station. Back to you in Osterich, Oscar November 4, Delta Alpha Kilo. You have the microphone.
Roger. Good evening. This is Oscar November 4, Delta Alpha Kilo. You're 5 and 7. Your report is 5 and 7 here in the west part of Belgium. Name here is Koen, like a Kilo Oscar Echo November, and my locator is Juliet Oscar 10 November Uniform. I repeat, Juliet Oscar 10 November Uniform is my locator. So Mike, again to you, Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta, Oscar November 4, Delta Alpha Kilo.
Okay, sorry for this big mistake, Oscar November. I know it's the call sign from Osterich, but I don't remember right now. 2 years ago, Belgium changed the call sign with Oscar November like that. I don't know more information, but sorry for this mistake. Oscar November 4 Delta Alpha Kilo, Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. By the way, my name is Mihai, Mike India Hotel Alpha India. Mihai is my name, and my grid locator, my friend, is Kilo November 23 X-ray, only 60 kilometers from Bucharest and only 8 kilometers from border with Bulgarian border. Back to you in Belgium, Cohen.
Yeah, Roger, Mihai. I see you and my lock, we worked each other before. I think we worked each other on the 2021 and also in May. I think also the 26th May last year as with your personal call, Yankee Oscar 9 Delta Oscar Charlie. So, okay, nice to hear you back here with your special call sign. Keep it short, there were some other stations who want to work you. So thank you to come back on my call. Wish you all the best with the activities with your special call there. Mike again for you for the final. Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo, Delta Oscar November 4, Delta Alpha Kilo.
Oscar November 4, Delta Alpha Kilo. I confirm the same with my with my call sign, with my personal call sign. I confirm the same on the QSO.com. When you have little bit time, please confirm our QSO with my personal call sign. Thank you very much. You are in the log with Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta 73. All the best, and I hope to speak again with you on the Satellite 73. Thank you very much for the QSO.
Roger, Mihai. Okay, for you also all the best. Good evening. Wish you all the best. Good DXT on the Satellite. And 73 is there for you and your family. Hope to hear again sooner or later on the Satellite. Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta, Oscar November 4, Delta Alpha Kilo. 73, bye-bye.
Echo Alpha 3, Charlie Juliet. Echo Alpha 1 November. Romeo 5, Alpha. Echo Alpha 3, Charlie Juliet. Echo Alpha 1 November. Echo Alpha 3, Charlie Juliet.
Spain. Only the space station, because only the space station I receive the signal. Echo Alpha 1, I give you the microphone. I'm Yankee Ontario 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Yankee Ontario 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Back to you in the Spain. Echo Alpha 1 November again.
Okay, Mihai, this is Echo Alpha 1 November. Thank you very much. Your report is 5/7/57, and my name is Javi, Juliet Alpha Victor India. Juliet Alpha Victor India, Javi. Locator India November 73 Bravo Mike. India November 73 Bravo Mike. QSL Mihail. Mihai, Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta, Echo Alpha 1 November.
Okay, Javier, no problem to copy you. Sorry for the Lila, sorry for the other ham radio. Please stand by, and I'm sorry because I speak right now with Echo Alpha 1 November, Javier from Spain, and please stand by. I give the microphone for other ham radio, but please stand by. Echo Alpha 1 November, I'm Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. This is the special call sign, my friend. I operate this special call sign until tomorrow. The last day is tomorrow, my friend, from Spain, and my name is Mihai. Mike India Hotel Alpha India. Mihai is my name, and my grid locator, my friend, is Kilo November 23 X-ray. I repeat, Kilo November 23 X-ray. Back to you in the Spain for the final, my friend, because other stations stay to wait. Back to you from the final.
Okay, Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Radio Delta, Echo Alpha 1 November. Thank you very much for the QSO. I'm sorry. Thank you very much for the QSO. I send the QSO with via lot of the world. Thank you very much, 73, and many thanks. Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Radio Delta, Echo Alpha 1 November.
73, all the best to my friend Javier, no problem, you are in the log.
Delta Lima 5 Romeo Delta India. Delta Lima 5 Romeo Delta India.
Echo Alpha 3 Charlie Juliet.
Delta Lima 5 again, please repeat. Delta Lima was before first. Delta Lima 5 again, please repeat again.
Okay, thank you. This is Delta Lima 5 Romeo Delta India. Name is John, and you are 5 and 9 in Juliet November 5-8 X-ray. Juliet November 5-8 X-ray.
Okay, John, you are in the log, my friend John. Delta Lima 5 Romeo Delta India, Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. I repeat, Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. My grid locator is Kilo November 23 X-ray. I repeat, Kilo November 23 X-ray. You are in the log, John, with this special call sign Delta Lima 5 Romeo Delta India. Back to you for the final.
Okay, thank you. 73.
Echo Alpha 3 Charlie Juliet. Echo America 3 Charlie Juliet.
Sorry, Sierra 4 again, please repeat.
Echo Alpha 3 Charlie Juliet.
Okay. Spain. Echo Alpha 3 Charlie Juliet. Echo America number 3 Charlie Juliet. Yankee Ontario 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Back to you in Spain, my friend. Echo Alpha 3 Charlie Juliet.
Okay, Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. This is Echo Alpha 3 Charlie Juliet. Good evening, Mikhail. My name is Joseph. Juliet Oscar Sierra Echo Papa. Joseph is my name. You see report is 5757. My grid locator Juliet November 01 Sierra Echo. Juliet November number 0 number 1 Sierra Echo. Back to you, Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Radio Delta. Echo Alpha 3 Charlie Juliet.
Okay, Echo Alpha 3 Charlie Juliet, Yankee Oscar 22 Alpha Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta, returning on the microphone. My name is Mihai, Mike India, Hotel Alpha India, and my grid locator, my friend, is Kilo November 23 double X-ray. I repeat, Kilo November 23 X-ray QSO.
QSL, Mikhail. Many thanks for the contact and the new grid for me. 73 and happy weekend. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, my friend. You are in the log. 73 Spain. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Romeo Alpha Delta calling Radio 5 Alpha Oscar. Radio 5 Alpha Oscar.
Radio 5 Alpha Hotel. Radio 5 Radio number 5 Alpha Hotel. Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Please repeat your call sign, my friend.
Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta calling Radio 5 Alpha Oscar. Radio 5 America Ontario. America Ontario. How do you copy? Mike, back to you.
Strong signal, my friend. Strong signal. Good modulation. Romeo 5 Alpha Hotel. Strong signal. Good modulation. My name is Mihai. Mike India, Hotel Alpha India, and my grid locator is Kilo November 23 X-ray. Repeat, Kilo November 23 X-ray. Romeo 5 Alpha Hotel. Back to you.
Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Romeo Alpha Delta. Radio 5 America Ocean.
Could you please correct my call sign? The last letter is Ocean, Ontario. Radio 5 America, Ontario. Okay, Mikhail, take 2 for report. Your signal report is 59. My name is Jean. Golf Echo November Echo. Golf Echo November Echo. QTH Moscow and locator Kilo Oscar 86 Victor Alpha. Kilo Oscar 86 Victor Alpha. Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Romeo Alpha Delta. Radio 5 Alpha Oscar. Over, please.
Okay, Eugene, no problem. Sorry for this mistake. Romeo 5 Alpha Hotel. Good afternoon, Russia. No problem to copy you, my friend. Romeo 5 Alpha Hotel. You are in the log with Yankee Ontario 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo. You are in the log, my friend. And my name is Mihai. And I operate with this special call sign until tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day, my friend. Thank you very much for this nice QSO, my friend. Back to you for the final in Russia.
Okay, Mikhail, could you please correct my call sign? Negative call sign.
Romeo 5 America, Ontario. America, Ontario. Last letter O. Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Romeo Alpha Delta. Romeo 5 Alpha Oscar. 73 Михай. Good luck. До свидания.
Okay, до свидания. 73, all the best. Romeo 5 Alpha Oscar. In QSO with Yankee Ontario 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. 73, all the best, my friend.
Thank you. 73, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. George.
Sierra Papa 2, Sierra Golf Kilo, Sierra Papa 2, Sierra Golf Kilo.
Sierra Papa Golf, Sierra Papa 4 Golf Kilo, this is correct. Sierra Papa 4 Golf Kilo.
My call is Sierra Papa number 2, Sierra Golf Kilo. Sierra Papa 2, Sierra Golf Kilo QSO.
QSO, my friend. Sierra Papa number 4, Golf, please repeat again.
Michael, Sierra Papa number 2, Sierra Golf Kilo, Sierra Papa 2, Santiago Golf Kentucky, Santiago Golf Kentucky QSO.
Okay, Jan. Okay, Jan from Poland. Sierra Papa 2, Sierra Golf Kilowatt, Sierra Papa 2, Sierra Golf Kilowatt, Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta, back to you in Poland.
Okay, Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Radio Delta, this is Sierra Papa 2, Sierra Golf Kilo. Okay, Mr. Email port is 5959, my name is Jan. My name is Jan, QTH location Juliet Oscar 93 Lima Radio, Juliet Oscar 93 Lima Radio. Back to you, Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Radio Delta, Sierra Papa 2, Sierra Golf Kilo, over.
Okay, Jan, strong signal, good modulation, my friend. Sierra Papa 2, Sierra Golf Kilo, Yankee Ontario number 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Repeat, Yankee Ontario 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. My name is Mihai, Mike India, Hotel Alpha India, and my relocator, my friend, is Kilo November 23, X-ray. I repeat, Kilo November 23, X-ray, QSO.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day, 73. Good luck.
Thank you very much. You are in the log 73. Good afternoon. All the best.
Please, Oscar Mexico 2 Delta Tango. Oscar Mike 2 Delta Tango.
Please repeat Oscar Mike again. Oscar Mike, please repeat again.
Oscar Mexico 2 Delta Tango. Oscar Mike 2 Delta Tango.
Okay, Oscar Mexico number 2 Delta Tango, Yankee Ontario 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Repeat, Yankee Ontario 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Back to you.
Yeah, Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Radio Delta, Oscar Mike 2 Delta Tango. Good afternoon, my friend. You report 5x9. 5x9, my name Dushan. Delta Uniform Sierra Alpha November Dushan. Locator Juliet November 88 Queen. Juliet November 88 Quebec. Wide copy Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Radio Delta, Oscar Mike 2 Delta Tango.
Oscar Mike 2 Delta Tango, Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta, my friend, and my relocator, my friend, is Kilo November 23 X-ray. Repeat, Kilo November 23 double X-ray, and my name is Mihai. My personal call sign is Yankee Ontario number 9 Delta Ontario Canada, and I want to make a log with you. I make a log with you right now on the QRZ.com. When you have little bit time, please confirm our QSO on the QRZ.com, my friend. Back to you, Oscar Mike 2 Delta Tango, Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta.
Yeah, Roger Michal, thank you very much for very fine information. Thank you very much for contact 73 for you and for your family in good year. Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Radio Delta, Oscar Mike 2 Delta Tango. 73, Michal.
73 from Slovakia, my friend. I wish you all the best, my friend. 73 from Romania to Slovakia, my friend. All the best, and I hope to speak again with you on the satellite in more better condition, my friend. 73.
73.
Kilo Charlie, again, please repeat, Kilo Charlie.
Roger. This is Foxtrot 1, Mike Kilo Charlie. Foxtrot 1 Mike Kilo Charlie Roger.
Okay. Foxtrot 1 Mike Kilo Charlie. Foxtrot 1 Mike Kilo Charlie. I'm Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. I repeat, Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Back to you, my friend, in France.
Roger, Roger, Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Radio Delta. This is Foxtrot 1 Mike Kilo Charlie 73. Your report is 59 in the Juliet November 05 Tango Radio. Juliet November 05 Tango Radio. My name is DJ. DJ is my name, Delta India Echo Romeo. Back to you, Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Radio Delta. Foxtrot 1 Mike Kilo Charlie Roger.
Roger, SDR, no problem. I copy you. I look on the QRZ right now and you are in the log with this special log. With this special log, with this special call sign, you are in the log, my friend. Foxtrot 1 Mike Kilo Charlie. In QSO with Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Good afternoon, all the best, my friend. I say 73 from Romania to France, and I hope to speak again with you on the satellite in more better conditions. 73.
73, many thanks.
Italy Delta Lima 4 Yankee Charlie Charlie. Delta Lima 4 Yankee Charlie Charlie.
Italy Delta, again please repeat the call sign with Delta and 4.
Delta Lima number 4 Yankee Charlie Charlie. Delta Lima number 4 Yankee Charlie Charlie.
Delta Lima 4 Yankee Charlie Charlie. I'm Yankee Ontario 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Repeat, Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Good afternoon, Germany. My name is Mihai. Mike India Hotel Alpha India, and my relocator, my friend, is Kilo November 2 Dry X-ray X-ray. Repeat, Kilo November 2 Dry X-ray X-ray. Good afternoon, Klaus.
Yeah, excellent, Micha. Yeah, you have an excellent signal. Your signal is 5 at 9 here, 5 at 9 your signal. Report is excellent. Locator here is Juliet Oscar 41 Hotel Sierra. Juliet Oscar 41 Hotel Sierra. Yeah, Micha, Mike, back to you. Sorry, your call sign. Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Delta Lima 4 Yankee Charlie Charlie.
Okay, sorry for the Lila, but I know once with the Lila, other ham radio put the Lila to song right now. Delta Lima 4 Yankee Charlie Charlie, thank you very much for this QSO. Okay, Klaus, you are in the log with this special log. I operate with this special log until tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day, my friend. Delta Lima 4 Yankee Charlie Charlie, you are in the log 73. Thank you very much for this QSO. All the best. Drei und 70, auf Wiedersehen, and all the best from Romania.
So, vielen Dank, Micha. Excellent. You have an excellent signal here on the satellite, and I hope I meet you again on this satellite. 73, bye-bye to the next time. Bye-bye. Tschüss.
Tschüss, bye-bye. Auf Wiedersehen, bye-bye.
Italy Zulu 8 Japan Hotel Delta. Italy Zulu 8 Japan Hotel Delta. Over.
Okay. Italy Zulu number 8. Italy Zulu number 8, Juliet Hotel and Delta. Italy Zulu number 8, Hotel, Juliet Hotel Delta. Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Good afternoon, Eugenio.
Roger, good afternoon, Mihai. Thank you very much for this call and this activation. 5-9 report for you. Year 5-9, my locator is Juliet Mexico 8-9 Echo Golf. Juliet Mary 8-9 Echo Golf. Please give me your location, signal report. Yankee Oscar 22, WARD, IZA, JHD, over.
Okay, your signal report is 59 plus. 59 plus, my friend, strong signal. I don't know, but your signal is very strong, good modulation, very good modulation, very good signal. 59 plus, my name is Mihai, Mike India, Hotel Alpha India, and I operate with this special call sign until tomorrow, my friend. My grid locator, my friend, is Kilo November 23, X-ray, repeat, Kilo November 23, X-ray, India Zoo 8, Juliet Hotel Delta, Yankee Ontario 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta, back to you for the final.
Okay, thank you very much, Mihai. Thank you very much for this QSO, and I wish all the best, and enjoy the and pile up here on the satellite. Yankee Oscar 22, WARD, IZA, JHD, ciao.
Bye-bye, my friend, and I put right now on the log with my personal log, I put your call sign in my personal log, my personal call sign is Yankee Oscar 9 Delta Oscar Charlie. Repeat, Yankee Oscar 9 Delta Oscar Charlie, and when you have little bit time, please confirm our QSO on the QRZ.com, my friend. 73, all the best.
Okay, thank you very much for the information. Ciao, Mihai, 73.
73. Please repeat again.
Italy Zulu 8 Foxtrot Delta Hotel.
Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta, repeat, Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Back to you, my friend.
59, very strong and clear your modulation. In Juliet November 70 Echo Uniform. Juliet November 70 Echo Uniform. I am Paolo and I'm transmitting from Napoli. Back to you, Mihai.
Delta Hotel, Yankee Oscar 22, Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta. Yes, my signal is very good on your station because I speak with the transceiver ICOM 7300, and this transceiver I buy from Syracuse, and this is all the information, my friend. Back to you in Italy.
Thank you very much, my friend. I want to wish you a very good afternoon. Enjoy on the radio, and I hope to meet you again in the next future. Good activity, and back to you for final.
India Zulu 8 Foxtrot Delta Hotel, Paolo from Italy, Yankee Oscar 22 Whiskey Alpha Romeo Delta, Mihai from Romania. You are in the special log, my friend. You are in the special log. I operate with this special call sign until tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day, my friend. Thank you very much. 73. I hope to speak again with you on the satellite with my personal call sign, but this is the last for the final, my friend. Back to you in Italy. Bye-bye, ciao.